Hey there, future subscribers! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of online business success? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to A.M.K Media, where we dive deep into the world of online business, bringing you expert lessons, tutorials, and strategies to help you thrive in the digital marketplace. On this channel, we cover it all. From launching your own e-commerce store to mastering affiliate marketing. From dominating SEO to crafting killer social media strategies, we've got you covered. What sets us apart? Well, not only are we experts in the field, but we are also dedicated teachers. We break down complex concepts into easy-to-follow steps, ensuring you can apply what you learn right away. As a subscriber, you'll get access to weekly in-depth tutorials, actionable tips and strategies, live Q&A sessions, exclusive behind-the-scenes content, and so much more. So, if you're serious about building a successful online business or taking your existing one to the next level, you don't want to miss out. Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a single lesson or tutorial. Join our growing community of online business enthusiasts. Don't just take my word for it. Hear from our awesome subscribers who have transformed their online businesses with our guidance. Thank you to our current subscribers for being part of this incredible journey. And to those of you who haven't subscribed yet, I can't wait to welcome you to our community. Remember, your success in the online business world begins here at A.M.K Media. Subscribe now and let's start achieving your dreams together. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll take your online business to new heights.